Hello, so have you heard about vertical AI? The first time that I heard was on this YouTube channel, the Y Combinator YouTube channel, and they were discussing about vertical AI, and they discussed that probably vertical AI is going to be 10x bigger than SaaS. So it's a very interesting video. And yeah, I record one video for my YouTube channel in Brazil about vertical AI, and then I thought, okay, why not talk here as well, since maybe we have a vertical AI service right here that we are building. So probably I hope this video gets you, maybe you get some ideas for your business, or also ideas for you to have a micro SaaS, a startup on a vertical that uses AI. And yeah, another video that I've been watching and was really good here in Brazil, it's from Bruno Fagion. He says that it's the next business model from Silicon Valley, and it's a really good video as well. I just want um, to show you guys as well because it's pretty good. And yeah, let's go. I gathered some data and also I watched some videos and I studied a lot about vertical AI. So I want to present that to you, and why not using AI to present that? So I gather everything that I had, like a script that I have for the video and stuff, and then I put it on Gamma app. And yeah, I made a presentation with Gamma. Actually, Gamma made it, and let's see how it goes. It's my first time doing that, not on Gamma. I already used it before, but not for YouTube videos. So let's see. Vertical AI, the next SaaS revolution. So, how specialized AI solutions are creating the next wave of $1 billion companies. That's what they say here in the video, okay? They are discussing about that, and it's something very important. Even this guy here, he's like really saying that it's good that we have companies, that we should have startups, micro SaaS and stuff like that, that they are verticals, that we can have maybe like a problem for a niche that it's or this niche could be like a vertical using AI, that it's not only on the big tech hands, AI, and we also can use. I will compare a bit the market that was before and now compare with LLMs, so large language models like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and stuff. So let's go. So if we try to understand the SaaS startup market, so yes, we had some obvious mass market ideas like Google Docs, Gmail, that came from big techs like Amazon, Google, Meta, and no it's very hard for startups to win these categories, right? Because the big techs are all over, so it's very hard for us to compete. But then we had the non-obvious mass market ideas like Uber, Instacart, DoorDash, Airbnb, Coinbase, and they were unpredictable, right? So like opportunities where startups won, not only the huge market. So that's why we won a B2B, right? And then we have the B2B SaaS companies, the vast majority of $1 billion companies that we've been seeing, right? And if we take that and we put it on the today's, like what we can compare here are the LLMs that we have also from Google, so Gemini, we have like ChatGPT from OpenAI, we have Perplexity, we have Cloud. So they are the kind of the obvious mass marketed that we it's very hard to compete. Yeah, we can see the pattern there, right? So the great opportunities likely lies in vertical and hyper specialized B2B solutions, not in general purpose applications. So that's the main reason and point that we want to discuss here, and I want you guys to discuss with me as well. On the comments and stuff like that. So, or you can DM me, or you can DM me on our community on Skool, that is free. And yeah, what we I want to say here is like we cannot compete here, right? But we can if we do have a vertical or a hyper specialized B2B solution. So that's what we are doing and building here. So we have one, I will talk about that later, just to, like build in public a bit as well, to show you guys, and maybe to discuss, is that a service that it's a vertical AI? Is that not? I don't know. In my opinion, it is. So yeah, that's good. So while AI agents focus on autonomy, vertical AI specialize in depth of knowledge of a specific sector or niche, right? So we can see difference here, right? Okay, so we can see like a GPT. GPT, it's an AI assistant, right? Or AI assistant, or something that we can just put a website, or like um web design, or the front end of something, and behind of it we use ChatGPT, or we use, I don't know, whatever we want to use as a LLM. So we just put an interface, a place that it's beautiful for the UX design one. See, it's a bit different, because then we just use one system and that's it. But if we have more than one assistant, we can create like an agent that it's different than what ChatGPT does. Then we have a different niche, we have a different product, we have a different project, and then it's a bit more vertical, you see. Because we have the wrapper. So we have the wrapper, it is like, okay, I will create an coach GPT, I will create a coach assistant, and then I will, I don't know, maybe Lovable or Replit, and then I will create the interface, going to be beautiful, but behind it, it's a well-trained GPT on OpenAI. See, that's a wrapper. That's different than a vertical AI startup, in my opinion, at least. So, but we are all discovering that, so I don't we don't know, we are all discussing, and yeah. So while AI agents focus on autonomy, vertical AIs specialize in depth of knowledge of specific sectors or niches. Okay, so pre-training industry knowledge, embedded in workflows as well, and also data advantage, we can see. And this approach mirrors the unbundling of Excel. I don't know if you know that, but it's something very interesting that Bruno shows on his video, that in the unbundling of Excel, it comes from this Thomas Tangans. I don't know how to say his name, but he's a venture capitalist of Theory Ventures, and he has a really, really good point here. I will leave in the description below this blog as well post. But as we can see, for millions of people, Excel is the first. For millions of people, Excel is the first exposure to the power of computer to manipulate data, calculate, and share the results, right? So I am listening to Steve Jobs audio book here in Audible. So yeah, I have half of the book ready, and some parts they are discussing with Bill Gates and the software, and that's very interesting. And it was back then, right? But as we can understand, the unbundling is like on Excel we can use for financial model. We can have a CRM there. We can have a lot of stuff, but it's not the same as you use like for CRM, you use ClickUp or Monday. It's not the same, right? It's much better to use those than just I think, at least it's my opinion. Or I don't know, like a financial model, waterfall chart, or we can like project manager, we can write scripts, we can do a lot of stuff on Excel, right? But the point is that the interface and everything's not that good. So what he wants to say here, it's like people saw the Excel and then got some ideas to create better tools, that of course you can do it on Excel, but it's not the same. We do have these amazing LLMs, and also take this nice idea that we have, put it in all together and be a vertical for a niche or something. So I will show you some examples like right here, so you can maybe understand what I mean by saying that. But we do have this Harvey that it's for legal stuff. So yes, we have a vertical that it's for lawyers and law firms, professional service providers and also Fortune 500 companies. So that's a vertical AI. So we also have this one that it's intelligence at the point of conversation. It is a vertical for health. We do have this one right here that it's very interesting because it collects testimonials in minutes and use them to get more customers. So here it's what I've been discussing with Manu, because a vertical maybe it's going to be like education or health or I don't know, like a lot of verticals that we can see. But once we're talking about AI and niches, it is a bit different, because like this one, it collects testimonial in minutes. It is, like one problem, one solution, probably like a micro SaaS, but it's a vertical AI because they use AI for that. I'm not sure, I think they use, but if they don't, I think you get the point, right? So let's see. Yes. No, AI cause studies generation, yeah, probably they use AI. And yeah, but what I want to say here, it's like we can have a vertical that it's not only, in my opinion, that it's not only related to the huge market is that we have the pillars and stuff. So that's my opinion. So that's why I do believe that our service, it is on a vertical, because we take content, so it's a marketing, and then content, and then video creation with AI. And we are a full stack AI company. So what does it mean? That we use AI in every single step, and since the beginning we use AI for everything. So not all everything, but almost everything. So right here, it's our company, our business. We consider like a service, and we can create a SaaS for each client, but it's very, very, very tailored and personalized. So it's different, but we do create like a micro SaaS for each client, because we can do that really, really fast with AI, and that's the power of AI. But we create videos automations 100% if you want, like since the script until publishing, using your clone, your voice, and your brand and your personal brand on it. So that's amazing. You can check here in our YouTube channel that my clone, it's all over the place, my clone, but you can check that we are publishing videos. They are all my clones. Yeah, we are publishing video every single day, and those I'm sleeping and they are publishing the video, so it's amazing. Those we use our tool as well, and yeah, it's amazing. So if you want to know more, if you don't want to touch in tech, or if you don't want to touch anything, or you are not putting yourself out there, we can help you out with that. We leave our website right here. You can just click here, and then it's going to um I think a form will, yeah, then you can just answer this form and submit that I'm going to talk to you. And yeah, I just want to show you that we are, on my opinion, that we are a vertical service AI. I don't know how to say that. It's everything, it's new, right? And also, if you want to see some opportunities, right? So, healthcare, education, finance, legal, real estate, manufacture, each vertical presents opportunities for entrepreneurs with domain expertise to build AI solutions that address specific pain points and workflows unique to the industry. So, yes, you can just like maybe try to find some ideas that it's one problem, one solution, or not even that, but in a vertical. So, what is vertical AI? Vertical AI refers to artificial intelligence tools lasered focus on solving problems within one sector or vertical, like law, healthcare, restaurants. These products go deeper than generic AI, embedding themselves inside of daily operations and delivering clear business value. So yeah, we are creating, in my opinion, a vertical service. AI service. And I hope this video can get you some ideas. And also, maybe if you have already a business, you can try to find verticals, AI's business that can solve problems that your company has. And yeah, or maybe you can have your own vertical AI's ideas and try to, like launch them, and or a micro SaaS or something like that. I really, really, really believe on that theory. It's not only me, but Y Combinator. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want, you can join our free community on Skool. We have some really nice classes there. The link is down below in the description. And also, if you want your video engine to be part of your business, part of your content creation with your voice, your clone, fully automated, we craft something, we code something for you, just click on our website on the description below, and I'm going to talk to you, understand your case, and maybe we can work together so you can publish content every single day using your voice, your face, for your business, your brand, and working something else, or being at the beach or sleeping. I don't know, but your content is going to be published. And probably you're going to like this video right here, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great journey. See you. Bye bye.